Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start in Game, press ESC and Open Options, then navigate directly to Accessibility Settings. This groups camera-related controls. You do this because view bobbing is an accessibility camera effect tied to movement. Once there, look for the view bobbing toggle. It's usually near camera controls or movement settings. Make sure to pause gameplay so you can change settings without walking. You're preparing the right screen now, so the actual toggle step is immediate and error-free. You will now switch the setting. Click the View Bobbing control and set it to off. This disables the head bobbing animation when you walk or sprint, giving a steadier camera. Once done, exit the menu and test by walking, sprinting, and stopping. Verify the camera no longer shifts. If it still bobs, make sure no mod, shader, or resource pack is overriding game settings. If so, open that mod's options and disable its camera bobbing as well. You finish by saving changes and reloading your world to ensure persistence. Sometimes settings apply only after a reload. Test thoroughly. Walk, sprint, swim, and use Elytra to confirm no bobbing. If it persists, disable mods or shaders because they often override default controls. If toggling won't stick, restart Minecraft and check for updates to the game or mods. Outdated files can prevent settings from saving. Finally, make sure you're editing the correct profile or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.